Peter Schiff disclosed a secret Shiba Inu Coin epic partnership with trillion-dollar company, Shib News. Shiba Inu has been on a roll since the beginning of this year. Well, since it was launched, actually. But the month of January has been pretty great for the token and the entire ecosystem, so much so that it has one-upped the OG, Bitcoin, in one particular area. To find out what this area is and a number of other awesome things that have been happening with the token since we last talked, make sure to watch the entire video. Today we're going to talk all about Shiba Inu partnerships and the future of Shiba Inu ecosystem. Welcome to Shiba Inu Coin, your daily dose of Shiba. If you're interested in everything around Shiba, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the Shib news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with more Shib news. Don't forget to enable all notifications to join our weekly cash giveaway pinned in the comments. Before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of Shiba is doing on the 3rd of March, shall we? Shiba Inu price has struggled to maintain the bullishness witnessed between February 6th and 8th. This lack of commitment has led Shib to go astray and revisit lower levels. Despite the recent bullishness in the crypto market, the meme coin has rallied conservatively. Shiba Inu price shows promise. Shiba Inu price briefly consolidated below the $233.10 million barrier before exploding 56%. The resulting downswing knocked the meme coin below $233.10 million, which quickly recovered. Since then, Shib has rallied 24% and faced rejection at the hands of a weekly resistance barrier at $283.10 million. The rejection here has the potential to undo recent gains and drag the Dogecoin killer back to the $233.10 million support level. If this outlook plays out, it will create a triple bottom setup, which forecasts a trend reversal, in this case an uptrend. The said technical formation could trigger a 20% ascent to $283.10 million. In a highly bullish case, Shiba Inu price could make a move to $323.10 million, bringing the total gain to 40%. Now, let's get back to the topic. Shiba Inu wasn't a mere spectator. The token opened the doors of the crypto market to an array of investors. Now the token has taken over the OG cryptocurrency, Bitcoin itself, in terms of popularity. Now there's a lot to unpack in that one statement. First off, if you've been a Shib holder since last year, or have been watching our videos, you know more than anybody else how much Shiba Inu has grown over the past year. You should also be aware of most, if not all, of the adoptions and listings that have happened, plus the partnership that we've been talking about for a while now, and how much all of that has contributed to the growth of Shib and the Shiba Inu ecosystem. However, what you probably don't know is that one of the effects of all the adoptions and listings, and also due to the intense efforts of the Shib community, Shiba Inu is now more popular than Bitcoin. Yep, I was as shocked as you are probably right now when I first heard it. Bitcoin is really popular, and is even synonymous with cryptocurrency in certain circles. That is, for a lot of people, when they think of crypto, they think of Bitcoin. So for Shiba Inu to overtake it in popularity, whatever the area might be, is a huge deal. But what kind of popularity are we talking about here? Watcher Guru mentions that, as per a report curated by CryptoDiffer, it was revealed that Shiba Inu was the most popular coin on CoinMarketCap in the month of January. The token took over prominent cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, which hoards a market cap of $789 billion and $364 billion respectively. With a market cap of $12 billion, Shiba Inu does not have nearly as much market cap as either Bitcoin or Ethereum. Yet. But it is important to emphasize the yet in that statement, because with the volume of transactions that Shiba Inu has been getting recently, there's no saying how high the market cap can get. And that leads us nicely into the next area where Shiba Inu has surpassed Bitcoin and Ethereum recently, trading volume. Shiba Inu has had a higher trading volume than a lot of the other bigger cryptos, and what's worse for these bigger cryptos is that they've actually been experiencing a decline in trading volume. Take Bitcoin for instance. Santiment, an online analytics firm, wrote this on Twitter about Bitcoin's trading volume. Bitcoin's trading volume saw a series of major spikes this past year, almost all after price drops. Crypto bulls look for lower trading volume when BTC falls, as it indicates minimal interest by the crowd, and higher probability of a reversal. What this means is that the aggressive volatility that Bitcoin has been experiencing is one of the reasons that it has experienced this drop in trading volume. But in addition to that, the fact that a lot more people are getting interested in altcoins like Shib has to have something to do with the drop. This is especially true when you consider that the trading volume for Shib is more than 10 times the trading volume for Bitcoin. It means that a lot more people have been interacting with Shib recently than have been interacting with Bitcoin and Ethereum combined. Still on the Shiba Inu good news train, Shib Informer on Twitter posted this recently. Our friends at Unifaction UND, working with us on Shibarium, released a very interesting Medium post yesterday. Take a look. Of course, I took a look, and here's the rundown. So, in the Medium article, the Unification Foundation talked about all of its upcoming updates, releases, and announcements that would be happening in the coming weeks and months. And of course, some of them have to do with Shiba Inu, which are the parts we are actually interested in, to be honest. Considering that the organization is helping develop the Shibarium, it did mention the proposed L2. And here's what was written. In addition to the extensive network, protocol, and new partnership developments, Unification Foundation is proud to continue development of Shibarium, the next prominent L2 in partnership with the Shib Army, enabling rapid low-cost transactions optimized for gaming. The article also mentions that there's still no definite timeline for release, and this is because of the scale of the project. However, they did mention that the second version of Shibarium's private testnet is live and under optimization across both teams, with plans of a public testnet release to come very soon. The Unification Foundation also gave an update that relates to Shibaswap. First off, the Unification Foundation's xFund has been the oracle provider for Shibaswap since forever, but Shiba Inu just recently decided to drop its first node on xFund, leading to the organization making some major adjustments on said xFund to accommodate the additions. Shytoshi also made the official announcement of this addition on his Twitter page, saying, "Our small team of Shiba devs is setting a node on xFund, our oracle provider for Shibaswap. This price increase, of course, profited the Shiba Inu whales a whole lot, to the tune of a combined $100 million. U.Today mentioned that according to data from Whale Stats, whales currently control 26% of the total supply. Exchange-related addresses and companies are not being counted by the tracker, which allows for determining the true percentage of large owners on-chain. So the $100 million gains mentioned all went to individuals who had put in a lot of their money when Shib was experiencing a price dip. That said, while this accumulation of Shib by whales currently profits said whales, what with the huge returns they're getting, it also benefits the token itself. A lot. Concerning this, U.Today mentioned that whenever whales take control over the asset, its correction tends to stop, as large wallets are continuously accumulating the token or coin instead of selling it. That's all for today. Also, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough, wide-spectrum research on the topic. We hope you like this video. Let us know in the comments below if you're a Shiba holder, and make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time at Shiba Inu Coin. Bye!